This is World Trade Center. Transfer is available to the 2, 3, A, C, and R trains. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is Canal Street. This is Canal Street. Transfer is available to the A and C trains. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is Spring Street. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is West 4th Street. This is West 4th Street. Transfer is available to the A, B, C, D, F, and M trains. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is 14th Street. This is 14th Street. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, and L trains. Transfer is also available to the M14 Select bus service. Connection is available to the path. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is 23rd Street. This is 23rd Street. Transfer to the M23 Select bus service. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. This is 34th Street, Herald Square. Transfer is available to the B, D, F, M, N, Q, R, and W trains. Transfer is available to the M34 Select bus service. Connection is available to the PATH trains. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is 42nd Street, Bryant Park. This is 42nd Street, Bryant Park. Transfer is available to the 7, B, and D trains. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is 47th 50th Streets, Rockefeller Center. This is 47th 50th Streets, Rockefeller Center. Transfer is available to the B, D, F, and M trains. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is 57th Street. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. This is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. Transfer is available to the F and Q trains. A free transfer is also available to the 4, 5, 6, N, R, and W trains by walking to the Lexington Avenue 59th Street station by using or Metro card. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is 72nd Street. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next stop is 86th Street. This is a 96th Street, 2nd Avenue bound E train. The next and last stop is 96th Street. This is 96th Street. Transfer is available to the Q trains.